Alright, here is another rifle. This is one of three 1944 Byfs that I have. Byf is the code for Mauser Obendorf, the actual main Mauser plant. You'll see here the serial number, and you'll also see that is an L. That stands for it's the L block of the serial number range. These were made in very late 1944. See there, it's got the Nazi Eagle stamp, no serial number on the barrel, and then another Nazi Eagle stamp right there. That's typical of the late war stuff. Flip it over, you see here, Byf 1944, and then you'll see another Waffen right there. That's a 135. That's the Waffen for Mauser Obendorf. You'll see two more over there. Interesting thing about this rifle is, I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but the bolt is actually a phosphate finish. That's something that didn't start showing up until late in the war, late 1944. In 1945, they actually switched over on most rifles to full phosphate. So this one is interesting because it's a mixture of blue and phosphate. Once again, this one is it's a laminate again. Red laminate. This particular stock, being that it is late war, doesn't have any serial numbers, markings on it at all. And I flip it over here, you'll see the stamped late war floor plate. Once again, also phosphate. And then there's a blue trigger guard. You can definitely see the lamination in this one. All the little lines and stuff. And take a look at the barrel bands. These are also unnumbered because it is a late war rifle, and it's got a speed milled band, which is kind of interesting because for the most part around this time they were switching over to stamped bands. So these are both milled. And then you'll see it's got the sight hood on there. Once again, no cleaning rod on this one. Some more shots here of the receiver, and you can see serial numbers there on the bolt. Safety was also unnumbered. That's typical late war. They started leaving a lot of stuff unnumbered, things that they considered unnecessary late in the war. Really the only things that they started numbering were the receiver and the bolt body and bolt sleeve. And you see there's the bolt cutout and bolt lug, and that's about it.